Welcome back to the Web Monetization School from the Artist Rescue Trust. This is the fourth in our series of tutorials about web monetization. So far, we've introduced you to web monetization, set up a Coil account, created a digital wallet for you at Uphold, and plugged in your payment pointer to Coil. And we've shown you ways to web monetize on a personal website using some basic HTML code. Now we're going to run through how to web monetize a handful of third-party platforms like Twitch and YouTube. There's a third-party platform ecosystem that is expanding as web monetization adoption grows. The more web monetized places that your content can live, the better your chances of making more income. Let's get started with WordPress and show you how to install the Coil plugin. Unlike the HTML coding in the last tutorial, this plugin automatically adds the web monetization meta tag to each page of your site, and by default makes all of your pages and posts web monetized and viewable by all visitors to your site. You can also change these default settings to monetize content in some cool ways. We'll go over those in a minute, but first, let's get the plugin installed. Sign into your WordPress admin dashboard, go to Plugins, click Add New. Now search for the keyword Coil. You'll see the official plugin and a few unofficial ones. Install the official Coil Web Monetization plugin. Click Activate. After the plugin is installed, Coil appears as an option in your WordPress admin dashboard. Now we need to install your payment pointer into the Coil plugin. First, you'll need to go to your Coil or Uphold account and copy your payment pointer, which looks like this. Now let's plug it into the Coil plugin in WordPress. Select Coil from the admin dashboard, select the Global Settings tab, put in your payment pointer, and click Save Changes. Let's go over some other setting options for the plugin. Go to your Content Settings tab. Use these settings to control the defaults for how your content is monetized and gated across your whole site. You can override these default settings on any individual page or post, and we'll show you how to do that in a minute. Okay, you'll see three options. No monetization means your content is available to all visitors and you will not receive payments from Coil members. Monetized and public means your content is available to all visitors. You will receive payments from Coil members. Coil member only means your content is only available to Coil members and you will receive payments. Non-members will see a customized message stating the content is for members only. You can adjust these settings in both the individual page and post editor, allowing for increased flexibility. You will see those options in the right-hand menu on your individual page or post editor. But let's say you want to monetize only some of the content on a page or a post, kind of like we showed you how to do exclusive content in our HTML tutorial. You can do the same here by creating excerpts and adding a Learn More button. Let's talk excerpts first. Your WordPress theme is going to need to support creating excerpts for this to work, so be sure to double check that. The Coil plugin's Excerpt Settings tab lets you display excerpts of content to non-Coil members on members-only pages and posts. To set up excerpts, go to the Excerpt Settings tab in the Coil plugin. Select the page or post types you want to display excerpts on. Click Save Changes. Now create or edit an existing Coil members-only page or post. Expand the excerpt section in the editor and enter your text. Then publish your changes. Non-Coil members will see a small excerpt of your content, but the rest of the content on the page or post will be hidden. Another way to approach exclusive content is through using a Learn More button. The Learn More button is shown to non-Coil members when they view Coil members only and monetized and publicly viewable pages and posts. Let's get that set up. Open the WordPress customizer by selecting Appearance, then Customize. Select Coil Web Monetization. Select Learn More button. Here you can change the text used for the Learn More button to whatever you like. You can also update the Learn More button URL/link to point to where you want to send non-Coil members to become members and view your content. Once you've made your updates, click Publish, then you're finished. Okay, let's now turn to Twitch and get you set up there. If you're a streamer with a Twitch partner or affiliate account, your streams are automatically web monetized. There's no additional setup required. You don't need a Coil account or a payment pointer. Coil has a special integration with Twitch that allows you to get paid in Twitch bits. For you to receive payments, your viewer must be a Coil member and use the Coil extension. For each second a Coil member watches your stream, Twitch keeps track of how much you've earned in US dollars, then purchases Twitch bits when your balance is high enough. When your balance is high enough, the Twitch bits are deposited into your partner or affiliate account. The Coil Twitch bot posts to your chat when it makes a deposit. Next up, we're going to look at a new video platform called Cinnamon that was built from the ground up with web monetization in mind. Cinnamon uses the latest web monetization technologies to fairly fund content creators. On top of that, they help creators develop engaging and easily shareable content. Let's show you how to get set up on Cinnamon with Coil. First, be logged into your Coil account. Make sure your payment pointer is linked to your Coil account. If you want to know how to do this, pause this tutorial and watch our second tutorial. That'll show you how to do it. Next, go to Cinnamon and create an account using Coil. Cinnamon and Coil will automatically be linked. Any content you post or make on Cinnamon will be automatically web monetized. All right, let's move on to YouTube, which you can easily link your channel to Coil from inside your Coil settings. Sign into your Coil account, then click Go to Settings. Click Monetize Content. By the YouTube icon, click Connect. Follow the Google login flow and select your YouTube channel. You are now web monetizing your YouTube channel. The last platform we'll web monetize is called Exposure. It's a modern publishing platform for visual storytellers and a simple way to create and share unique stories. You'll need to create an account on Exposure first, then you can get your account web monetized. Here's how to set up web monetization on Exposure. Go copy your payment pointer from either your Coil or Uphold account. You will only need the part of it that looks like this. Go into your Exposure settings and click Monetization. Next, paste your payment pointer into the corresponding field and click Save. That's it, you're done. Alright, we've covered a bit of ground in this tutorial. We've shown you how to get web monetizing set up on a bunch of popular and new content platforms, hopefully further increasing your web monetized content footprint. As more people come aboard on both sides of the creator and audience relationship, the stronger the web monetization ecosystem becomes and the more you can potentially earn as a creator. Thanks for attending Web Monetization School by the Artist Rescue Trust. Our goal is to make sure you can get set up and start generating income from what you make or help support those doing the making with web monetization. If you'd like to stay informed about new things with web monetization, be sure to sign up for our email list so we can get in touch. Again, thanks from all of us here at Artist Rescue Trust. And remember, art is what makes us human.